Hey everyone. Is it supposed to show online?
We'll switch to your screen in a second.
Anyway, my name is Zach Prater, and we're the team behind Dune Arena. We'll introduce everybody else at the end. So the basis of what we built is we wanted to build a creator's economy for game developers. Whenever you build a game, a lot of times it ends up being open source because you don't want to invest in marketing and you don't really know how to make it big. So we wanted to create a way for people to create tournaments for their games to encourage people and incentivize them to actually play their games. How it works is the host or the game developer will provide the initial contest prize pool, and then he will announce this to his audience. His audience will purchase ticket prices. 90% of the ticket price will go into the contest, while 10% will go back to the actual host. After 100 people have participated in the contest, the host will make his money back. After the contest is over, all the money gets distributed to all the people that purchase tickets, and everybody gets something, even if it's pennies. It was created by all of us, Zach Prater, Danilo Turner, Felipe, Eduardo, and I'll get out of the way.
All right, guys, let's try some live demo. So this is the interface where you can create a contest, and we can, let me get it started already. So by creating a contest, we define a name, the initial prize pool, which has to be paid by the host, which is us right now. The ticket price, which is going to be paid by every player joining the contest, and how much time the contest will be available for the players to join and actually submit their play. And then the submission time, when the contest ends, the players must go back and submit their gameplay. Okay? For the validation, for the Cartesi machine to validate on-chain and generate your score on-chain. Okay. Now that the contest is created, we can simply view this and click play to actually play the game and join the contest. So right now there is a Doom running on a Cartesi machine inside the browser, where it's going to record every input, every keyboard input, and generate the score that can be seen here, and generate a log of all inputs that I've done to the keyboard here. Once I click join contest, once I'm happy with my score, it's going to send a transaction on chain with the hash of this log file. So the hash and the payment of the ticket price. So with the hash of this log file, I commit that I want to be part of the contest, and once the contest finishes, I can then submit the whole log, which I have now downloaded and will be available for later submission. Okay? So once the host actually ends the contest, or the time has elapsed, the players will be able to upload the full log. So the full log is not being public right away. It's only public after the contest, after all the players have made their play and finished. Okay? So I can now upload the gameplay. So this gameplay is now on-chain, so it's verifiable. And through the Cartesi machine, it's going to actually call the game logic again, replay everything I did on a keyboard, and generate the score again verifiably. Okay? And then it has already generated a score. We can see here in the Cartesi machine actually Doom running. So this is the actual binary of Doom running. And we can even try to replay afterwards. And anyone can see what the actual winning gameplay did. Okay. That's a replay. So that's Norena. Thank you, guys.